Welcome to my channel, DDTV Kids Storytime Adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie Bucket was a young boy who lived in a small house with his parents and grandparents. They were poor and struggled to make ends meet, but Charlie remained hopeful and optimistic. One day, a local chocolate factory announced a contest where 5 lucky children would be granted a tour of the factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Charlie dreamed of winning the contest and experiencing the magical world of the chocolate factory. To his delight, Charlie found the last golden ticket inside a Wonka bar, earning him a spot on the factory tour with 4 other children. He eagerly set off with his grandpa Joe to meet the enigmatic and eccentric owner, Willy Wonka. The tour took them through fantastical rooms like the inventing room, the nut room, and the chocolate room, where everything was edible. However, one by one, the other children fell victim to their own vices and selfishness, leaving Charlie as the only one left. In the end, Willy Wonka revealed that he was searching for an heir to the factory, someone pure of heart and deserving of his legacy. Charlie's selflessness and good nature made him the perfect candidate, and he was offered the job of running the factory with his family by his side. Charlie and his family rode the great glass elevator out of the factory, leaving behind the incredible world of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory but carrying with them a lifetime supply of chocolate and the memory of an unforgettable adventure.
Thanks for watching.